안녕하세요, 여러분. Now, I believe you are more confident in reading Korean words. If you think you are still a bit slow in reading Korean, please invest your time to master alphabet Hangul and revise the previous videos to enhance your skills to recognize the letters and pronunciation. If you are ready, let's begin with the first dialogue in page 2. Most of the chapter includes about 3 to 4 dialogues, and here we have 4 short dialogues in chapter 2. Who are the characters in this scene? The guy's name is Andy, and the girl's name is Lee Soo-jin. Let's read together Andy and Soo-jin's dialogue. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 이수진이에요. 반가워요, 수진씨. Now, let's look into each sentence. Andy greets to Sujin first, 안녕하세요. And he asked her name. 이름이 뭐예요? Here the keywords are two, 이름, name, and 뭐, what? 이름이 뭐예요? So the question means, what's your name? And Sujin responded, 이수진이에요. 이수진이에요. Her surname is E, and the given name will be Sujin. And the end of the sentence, the 이에요 is the first grammar we are going to learn, which is be verb in Korean. So here she say, I am Sujin. I am 이수진. And he said, 반가워요, 수진 씨. She is usually used after one's name, full name or surname, and shows the politeness of the speaker. And 반가워요 was a greeting. After we learn 안녕하세요, we also learn nice to meet you. 반갑습니다 or 반가워요. So only difference between these two expressions, 반갑습니다 and 반가워요, was the ending. 반가워요 used 아요, 어요 polite informal ending. Meanwhile, 반갑습니다 used 습니다, polite and formal ending. Now listen and read the dialogue together. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 이수진이에요. 반가워요, 수진씨. The ending 예요 and 이에요 is the be verb in Korean when we want to say A is B or A is equal to B. 예요, 이에요 is usually added at the end of the sentence, and it means is, am, and are. The subject of the sentence also needs an attachment, and it is very unique use of grammar in Korean language. Unlike English and Chinese, the word order is pretty flexible in Korean, but most of the time each lexical item requires a certain grammatical item. This attachment for nouns is called markers or particle. This subject marker is attached to the subject of the sentence and just indicate the word in front is the subject. There is no meaning but function. These two grammar items have two variations each. It naturally happens in Korean language to ensure the fluent and smooth pronunciation. For example, if the word ends in a consonant, they tend to pronounce the vowel after that. So the attached grammar item, both subject markers and be verb, begin with the vowel E, so that the ending consonant will not be crashing with another consonant, and the pronunciation will be smoother. Let's learn from the examples. If a guy wants to say his older sister is a designer, please see the sentence structure. The sentence will be 누나가 디자이너예요. The subject marker 가 is indicating the word in front is the subject. And 예요 at the back, it means she is. If the word ends in ending consonant, different variation is used. Here the example, my name is 이수진. My name is in Korean, 제 이름, which ends in a consonant M. So the following grammar begins in vowel E. 제 이름이. And the second half of the sentence, 이수진 이에요. Because her name also ends in consonant N. So the following grammar must begin in the vowel sound E, but that the combined vowel 예, 이에요. The full sentence will be 제 이름이 이수진이에요. Then here you can hear the ending consonants are pronounced with the following vowel 제 이름이, like mi, 제 이름이 이수진이에요. 이수진이에요. Alright, let's move on to the second dialogue and we practice more grammar. Now Andy is with his friend 지훈. Let's read together their conversation. 지훈 씨, 이분이 누구예요? 제 동생이에요. 지훈 씨 동생이 경찰이에요? 네, 경찰이에요. Now in the beginning, Andy called his friend 지훈 씨. So again, he used she when he calls someone's name. And he asked the question, 이분이 누구예요? Now the keywords are 이분, this person, and 누구, who. 이분이 누구예요? The rest highlighted in gray is grammar item. Subject marker 이, after 이분, and be verb 예요 after 누구. 이분 means this person, and it is usually used to indicate a stranger or a person who is older than you, because 분 is a respect expression of 사람, a person, 사람. And to this question, Andy said, 제 동생이에요. 제 is my. 제 동생. It should be younger sibling, either brother or sister. 이분이 제 동생이에요. I guess from the picture, he must mention about the younger brother, 남동생. In Andy's next question, 지훈 씨 동생 is actually he, but in the pronouns are in Korean language, pronouns are not actively used. So they say 이 사람, this person, 그 사람, that person, 그 친구, that friend, instead of he, 그, or she, 그녀, in daily conversation. So he asked, 지훈 씨 동생이 경찰이에요? 경찰 is a policeman. 경찰이에요? And 지훈 answered to this question, 네, 경찰이에요. 네 is yes. And he repeated the same sentence, 경찰이에요. Again, he is not mentioned. 경찰이에요 means he is a policeman. So actually the full sentence must be 제 동생이 경찰이에요. My brother is a policeman. 제 동생이 경찰이에요. But now he only mentioned the second half of the sentence, which carries the information. 경찰이에요. Now shall we read one more time the whole dialogue? 지훈 씨, 이분이 누구예요? 제 동생이에요. 지훈 씨 동생이 경찰이에요? 네, 경찰이에요. Now you can practice how to use 예요, 이에요, the be verb, by answering the questions on page 3. You may try to answer the questions first and check your answer, including spelling, word order, and word spacing at the end of this lesson. For example, number 2, it could have different answers according to your gender and perspectives. If you are 여자 and think of your older brother, then the answer will be 제 오빠예요. 제, my, the older brother, 오빠, and he is 예요. But if you are 남자 or he is your younger brother, then the ending form will be 이에요 because of the ending sound of the words. 형, the older brother for male, 동생, the younger brother. So the ending will be 이에요 for both cases. 제 형이에요 or 제 동생이에요. Please continue practice in page 3, the other 3 questions. Here, all 3, we are talking about one's name. And page 7, question 가 requires us to answer the question, who is this person? 이분이 누구예요? 이분이 누구예요? The first one can be our example, Mina. Mina should be one's name. Mina ends in vowel A sound. So the required ending form will be 예요. Mina 예요. Mina 예요. We just used the second half of the sentence because in dialogue, in speaking conversation, usually the sentence is not fully repeated. So if you want to make full sentence, then you can mention the first half of the sentence, this part. 이분, this person, 이 subject marker, 미나예요, is 미나. This person is 미나. 이분이 미나예요. In both sentences, if you use the full sentence or just use a half of the sentence, the meaning will be the same. If you want to make full sentence, then the answer will be 이분이 미나예요. But in short dialogue, you also can use the half of the sentence only in the answer, 미나예요. So please try to answer all questions here and make sure you know how to use and apply the grammar to introduce someone else. Maybe you can try to write short sentences to introduce your family members and friends. In the following videos, we are going to learn the expressions 있어요, to have, 없어요, don't have, and few more grammatical items.